I'll show you how I built an Instagram and Twitter X profile picture downloader inside browser in Node.js Express in 20 minutes. So this is the overall project. We are running it on localhost. The interface is quite simple. You basically have the URL where you will paste the URL of the post. So this is a full directory structure. It's a very simple project. It only contains two files. We are running this. You can see we are developed in Express. So we are running this project locally and it supports Instagram and Twitter. Here you can basically copy link address, simply paste it, and instantly the profile, videos, reels, everything will be downloaded instantly. So I built this project from scratch. You can take any video, for example. So it only took 20 minutes for me to actually make this project. You can purchase it. The link is given in the description. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So all the files are customizable. You can customize or add more features on top of this as well. So this also supports images as well. So you paste it. This will be downloaded, as you can see, the image file as well. So the application is quite fast. You can do this unlimited number of times. So once you get the source code, you will actually see how I'm writing the code here, how the code is executing. So everything will be revealed to you. You can even modify the source code as well. So it's an automated script. It can download thousands of posts. It doesn't give you any restriction. You basically paste, click, and automated the result will come. So fully customizable script it is. So it's I built out this Node.js Express project. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description.